Ever wondered how tiny pests can wreak havoc on your beloved plants?
Yeah,
Let's talk about spider mites and how to stop them in their tracks.
absolutely. I've heard they're a gardener's nightmare. What's the deal with these little critters?
Well, spider mites are these nearly invisible pests that can destroy entire crops or houseplants in
Right.
weeks. They thrive in hot, dry conditions, which is surprising because most people think pests like humidity.
That's interesting. So, the hotter and drier it is, the more they spread?
Exactly. And they damage plants by piercing the cells and extracting their contents, disrupting photosynthesis. It's like they're sucking the life right out of the plants.
That's brutal. How can we spot them before it's too late?
Well, you might notice fine silken webs on your plants. And if
Oh,
you see
really?
stippling, tiny yellow or white specks on the leaves, that's a telltale sign.
So they're not easy to see with the naked eye?
Exactly, they're minuscule. Sometimes shaking a leaf over white paper can help you spot them. Regular
Good tip.
scouting is key.
And what about controlling them? Are chemicals the only option?
Actually, no. Integrated pest management is the way to go. Combining biological, cultural, and mechanical controls can outsmart spider mites.
Can you give an example?
Sure, introducing natural predators like predatory mites can be highly effective.
Interesting.
They consume spider mites and can significantly reduce their populations.
But doesn't that require specific conditions to work?
Well, yes, predatory mites thrive in humid environments, so adjusting humidity can enhance their effectiveness.
Right.
It's about creating an environment that's hostile to spider mites, but favorable to their predators.
What about organic methods? Any sustainable options?
Definitely. Neem oil disrupts spider mites' hormones, preventing reproduction. Plus,
Yeah.
it doesn't harm beneficial insects when used properly.
That's great, but aren't chemical controls sometimes necessary?
Sometimes, but overuse can lead to resistance and harm beneficial insects.
True.
It's like using antibiotics too much. It can create bigger problems.
I see your point, but in severe infestations, isn't chemical control more immediate?
It can be, but timing and proper application are crucial.
Right.
Targeting early life stages of the mites maximizes effectiveness while minimizing harm.
So prevention is better than cure?
Absolutely. Enhancing plant health and monitoring environmental factors can prevent infestations. Healthy plants are less
Yep.
attractive to spider mites.
Makes sense. Any last tips for gardeners?
Just remember, regular inspections and integrating various control methods is key. It's about working with nature, not against it.
Thanks for the insights. I'll definitely keep an eye out for those tiny terrors.
No problem. Together we can keep our plants thriving and mite-free.